You don't know what this is, do you? Aztec gold. The heathen gods placed upon the gold a terrible curse. 10 years we've searched. Every last piece we have found, save for this. Hello, Bobby.
They've taken Elizabeth.
Welcome aboard the Black Pearl.
We must save her. Where do we start?
Jack Sparrow. He talked about the Black Pearl.
Make a deal with him. He can lead us to it.
You forget your place. You are a blacksmith.
If you spring me from this cell, I shall take you to the Black Pearl and your bonny lass.
You're a pirate.
Forgot one very important thing, mate. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Not sure I deserve it. What is it that has Jack spooked? How much do you know about Davy Jones?
You owe me your soul. And it's time to pay up.
If there was anything could be done.
Well, there is a chest.
The dead man's chest.
To find it, you must sail to the end of the earth and beyond.
We have our heading.
I have no dress in my cabin.
We're looking for this.
The chest of Davy Jones.
What is in the chest?
What would you do? What would any of you be willing to do? Would you brave the weird and haunted shores at world's end to fetch back witty Jack?
Did no one come to save me just because they missed me?
Don't be a fool, Jackie. The fountain will test you.
Was that really necessary?
Neither will you. Is that it?
I think so. Standing in a high place, sudden urge to jump. I don't have it.
Vow to eliminate them all. And then there was this boy, Jack Sparrow. Follow him in. He took everything from me and filled me with rage. For me.
From this moment on, we are to be allies.
Considering where your left hand is, I'd say we're more than that.
Oh, monkey.
I'm not looking for trouble.
What a horrible way to live.
You will pay for what you did to me.